Hi, Shahar from Vibrant Thoughts Create, and I just wanted to uh, do a video today about some frustrating crap that I've been dealing with. So I started my day off really just motivated and gung ho, and um, one of the things I was working on is creating a checkout page on Samcart for one of my digital products, and then also adding that product to my website. So I just had a website built by a professional. Shout out to my guy, Jonathan. Love him. He has been a lifesaver. And I encourage anyone who is in the long form content, blogging area that, I mean, you can take the cheap route and do a website on your own. If you have that kind of background, kudos to you. I did not. And so my cheap route ended up not being so cheap. And then so I just decided to actually pay a professional to do it, and he did a phenomenal job. And so these little questions that pop up in terms of like, oh, how do I add a product to my page? Well, it took me like 2 hours of doing something that I thought was working, just to find out that it did not. So that was frustrating. Just time wasted. It's just, I hate that. And then, so anyway, so I just do I jump on like a live chat with him, and I asked him how to do it, and he gave me like 2 videos. I just walked me through the whole process, and freaking 5 minutes, I was done. It was great. So, lesson learned, ask for help when you need it. And then another thing that I've been struggling with is my pin strategy. So my main source of traffic is Pinterest, and I've been using Tailwind as a scheduler, and I love Tailwind. It has helped me save time. I just don't know if I'm actually using it in its most optimized form, I guess, because I use Claude to help me craft the titles and the descriptions, and then I put those like into a spreadsheet, Google Sheets, that then I can pull up Tailwind, and I've picked a selected number of their what do you call it, templates, and I've customized it and made it my own brand, and then I just kind of have to copy and paste the titles and descriptions over, and then I have to attach or select a board that I want it pinned to, and then also the time and date. But that's all like manual. So I did try Blog2Pin, which I thought was really great. I didn't like the AI writing, and even when I gave it a specific prompt, it's still just like, I mean, you should check every single one that is written anyway, but I just felt like a lot of them were just like, the flow wasn't right. It wasn't sounding natural, not like Claude. So, but what I did like about Blog2Pin is that it gave you your whole month's worth of pins, and I like to pin 20 pins a day, so that's a lot. And so, but because the quality wasn't there on the writing, I opted to go back to Tailwind, where I can control that aspect a little better, and I guess I just have to suffer for it. I don't know if there's anybody out there that has a better system. Please let me know. Like, I would love to get ahead of this. Like, I like staying ahead of my pins. Like, now I'm kind of like, I'm still working on the whole month of August. I've got up to like August 11th done, and so tomorrow morning, hopefully I won't waste 2 hours figuring out something on my website, so I can knock out a few pins then, and then maybe in the afternoon too. But yeah, I mean, it's just this whole realm of content creation is I feel like I'm doing so well in some parts and then just so terrible in others. And you know, it is. I feel like you're taking one step forward and like 10 steps back. And some days though, I'm going like leaps and bounds forward. So I don't know. I felt like I wanted to share that with you. And if anybody has any tips on how I can make my system a little better, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are not even using a scheduler for, or well, one, actually, if you're not on Pinterest, you should be. It's quite the gem, so I love it. Pinterest is the bomb. I hope nobody says that anymore, sorry. So anyway, I guess that's it. Oh, and another thing though, my little setup here, stand-up desk and walking pad, yes, keeps creative juices flowing, keeps you moving throughout the day. I highly encourage you, if anyone doesn't have a stand-up desk or an automated desk, like this goes, go down, up, and it can go down, like all the way. So sometimes if I don't feel like walking, obviously I'll sit down. But it gets me moving consistently throughout the day, which is really important. So anyway, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this channel, subscribe. Cheers.